All right, so what we have here is some beautiful Sony A7 III footage shot on Slog2, ISO 800, filmed outside on a beautiful sunny day. What we're going to do first is go over to the Color tab and create four nodes: Offset, White Balance Contrast, Log Conversion, Rec 79 LUT. We're going to first start off with the Log Conversion node and go down to our Log Conversion LUTs, and we need to convert that to Rec 709. So you're going to go down there and find the LUT in which you filmed in. In my case, I did SGame 3 Cine Slog2 and click on it. Boom, look at that. Looking a little bit better, a little bit nicer ready, still a little bit overexposed. And on that note, whatever settings you might have on your camera, please leave them to default. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Leave Slog2 as is. Please. If we look at our scopes, we see that they're still a bit too high, so we'll click on the offset and go down to the offset and just drag it all the way to the left, drag it to the left, drag it to the left. Let's bring it down since you brought it up two stops. Look at that. That's looking kind of good. A little bit too much, a little bit too little. I don't know. Don't matter. It's your personal preference. It's your personal style. After you're done with that, we're going to go to the white balance contrast and just fiddle with that. You want it hotter? You want it colder? You can pick. Just add a little bit contrast, just like this. Little punch, little kiss, looking good. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I would say it is done. I could say that. Now, if we look at before, this is S-Log2 before, flat, and this is S-Log2 after. Looking good. What a beautiful image. Are you done yet? I don't know. Maybe you want that fuckboy look. Well, I got a treat for you. Go over to the left to your log conversion LUTs. Find your special LUT pack, Rec 709, and boom, look at that. That looks beautiful. That looks great. Why don't you just take that footage, show all your friends, and then hang yourself.